MULN stock analysis. This is for Thursday. Is it a buy? Is it not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So I'm looking at Mullen Automotive. It is 22% down almost, which is, to be honest, very kind of tough, but I'm used to it because, come on, it's Mullen. I've made more videos than anyone else in this space, documented them all, and generally speaking, yeah, what's the likelihood that this thing just keeps melting? Quite high, if you ask me. You can see I've had so many receipts with Mullen, even in 2023. You can see this date here. This is June 2023. Bro, I was just milking the crap out of it, and you can see it just keeps melting down unless there is like a proper sell. Obviously not looking to sell. Even if you ask people, is this going to be a buy ever? Well, those kind of questions is obviously very subjective, and it's kind of tough to answer. But in my eyes, unless I see a full candle close above 11 cents as of right now, this is nowhere near bullish to me. So I'll continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. That's free newsletter.